Well, in reality, the water charges struggle is the biggest anti-austerity campaign that there's been in this country in 7 years, and it is a battle in that the people who are opposed to it, which is, I'd wager, the majority in the country, are up against major forces here.
For that, by the way, the majority of the country?
I think countless polls would have shown that, but I think the whole concept of a water charge, there is, I mean, why has it generated such feeling when other equally, probably more serious measures didn't? I think there's a couple of reasons for that. Number one, it affects everybody, whether you're renting, whether you own your own home, whether you're a council tenant, every single home's affected. There's probably something special about water as well in Ireland, but I think also because people can. People have power on this one and people can win. And it is a battle, and we're up against the government, we're up against the Troika,
the kind of war
EU.
terminology needed to be used, you know. You got a lot of flack for the dogs of war comments you made in the book. I know you believe you were misinterpreted on that. But that kind of language, like, it's some might think it's inappropriate now.
Well, you need tactics in any struggle, in any battle. I mean, and the idea that a few marches was going to do it, I think, has been shown to not be the case. So what we're saying is that we're up against, there's 2 million bills going out, and we're going to respond in a serious way, you know, with tactics, with a plan. And the main tactic is non-payment, which is what sunk the poll tax, which is what sunk the last water charge in 1990.